Hey, if you want to change theme on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the Start on the taskbar, then go to the Settings. Next, from here, you'll have to navigate into the Personalization, and you'll have to click on the Themes. Right now, you can find some default themes. For example, we can switch into this one. Now, as you can see, it's also changed the dark theme, from the light to the dark theme. But if you want to get more themes, you can click to Browse Themes. Now we will be moved into the Microsoft Store, where you will be able to download other themes. Now let's get, for example, this Beach Time Premium. So click on it with the left mouse button, and now click to get. As you can see in the description, we can find information that we will get 15 premium 4K images, and they are free for the Windows 10 themes. Let's see if it actually works for the Windows 11. Let's click to open, and now we can find this theme right here. When I click on it, as you can see, the wallpapers has changed. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.